Welcome to CSC Dreamers. Today we are going to learn about proximity measures and the similarity and dissimilarity for nominal attributes, binary attributes and the ordinal attributes. And the other method is term frequency vectors. The nominal attributes can be taken as two or more states. The states can be denoted by letters, symbols and set of integers like 1, 2 and so much, such as 1, 2, comma, so on m. The similarities is can be found by p minus m by p. M is the number of matches and p is the number of types of states. And similarity can be found by 1 minus dissimilarity or m by p. Now we are going to find primary attributes. One of the two states can be 0 and 1. It is symmetric binary attributes. Each state is equally valuable. Example true or false, as both answers are valuable. For example, we can take object J and object I. The values are 1 and 0 and sum 1, 0 and sum. They are added in the sum. By using dissimilarity formula, we can find the dissimilarity for the symmetric attribute. It is r plus s by q plus r plus s plus t. And the other method of binary attributes are asymmetric binary attributes. Two states are not equally important, whereas in symmetric both are important. Here example can be positive and negative outcomes of a disease or male or female. T is not considered. The similarity and dissimilarity formulas are given in the below, where the t is not present in the denominator, whereas in the asymmetric the t is present. That's all. The ordinal attributes. The values are meaningful order of ranking. It can be grading system or the income systems by which we can order the list of the data. Necessary to map the range of each attribute onto 0.0 to 1.0. Dissimilarity can then be computed using any of the distance measures. By using distance measures, we can find the similarity and dissimilarity. Similarity values of ordinal attributes can be interpreted from dissimilarity, where we know the formula 1 minus dissimilarity is the similarity, and the using Euclidean distance, which results following symmetric matrix. Now we will go to learn how Euclidean distance works and the other distance formulas which can be used to find the ordinal attributes, dissimilarity and similarity. First, Euclidean distance formula. Here it is also known as Pythagoras formula, or we can find the two distance points within the graph. There is a 2 points x1 and x2. Here we should do under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where it is 3 minus 1 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Doing whole square minus under root, it is gives 3.61 is the distance. The other is Manhattan distance or city block distance. The distance is not negative number. The distance of an object is itself 0. From this example x2, x1, we can find the Manhattan distance by x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, and y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. The sum of the distance is known as Manhattan distance, where 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is the distance. The 5 is the Manhattan distance. And in the Minkowski distance, it is generalization of Euclidean and Manhattan distance. H is an real number such as h greater than 1. Here the h is greater than 1, we can use any real number, whereas given in the question. The last one is Superman distance or Chebyshev distance. It is the distance taken the value of the maximum value from the distance. For example, x2 minus x1 are the 2 points x2 and x1. For this we should find the Chebyshev distance. It is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. The 3 is greater than 2, so here we take the maximum value as 3 and 3 is the distance for the Chebyshev distance. Now let us find term frequency vectors or cosine similarity. Cosine similarity used to compare two documents or two statements or two text files with respect to a given vectors. X1 and X2 be the two documents or text files which contains the letters or words team, coach, hockey, baseball, soccer. This be the words in the text, and the two documents are arranged in the form of frequencies according to the words 5, 3, 2, 1 and like this. And by using this formula sin equal to x dot y by x bar y bar, we find the similarity similarity equal to 0.94. X dot y is directly multiplication of 5 into 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 into 2. Like this we take the value of x dot y, whereas x bar is taken as under root of each square of the elements 5 square plus 0 square plus 3 square, and the y bar is also find in the same manner. By using this formula they should put the values and the calculation should be done and we'll get the similarity. If we want to find the dissimilarity, we should minus 1 by 0.94, we get the dissimilarity. Thank you.